Hello बच्चों, let's read this question. The number of turns in the coil of an AC generator is 5000 and the area of the coil is 0.25 square meter. Now this coil is rotated at the rate of 100 cycles per second in a magnetic field of zero point 0.2 Weber per meter square. Then we have to find the peak value of EMF generated. So students, इस question में this is the AC generator. टर्न्स ऑफ कॉइल यानी कैपिटल एन की वैल्यू 5000 गिवन है। एरिया ऑफ कॉइल हमें 0.25 स्क्वायर मीटर गिवन है एंड इट इज रोटेटेड एट द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ 100 cycles in a second. Yeah, that is frequency f is given as 100 cycles and the value of magnetic field B, this B is given as 0.2 वेबर पर मीटर स्क्वायर। देन हमें पीक वैल्यू ऑफ ईएमएफ जनरेटेड की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है। फॉर दैट प्लीज नोट द की कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन एंड दिस इज दैट फॉर a loop having n turns, the total induced EMF across the two ends of the loop is given by equals to n v a omega sine of omega t. Now for maximum EMF, sine of this must be equals to 1. So now let's substitute the value of n, that is number of turns, और ये हमें 5000 दी गई थी into magnetic field is 0.2 and area this is 0.25 square meter into omega. Omega is the angular frequency, so let's rewrite this as 2 pi f. Now EMF E can be written as 5000 into this will be 0.05 into 2 pi into frequency f. This was given as 100 cycles per second. Now on solving these terms, this will be 5000 into 5 upon 100 into 6.28 into 100. This will be cancelled out. Now on solving these all terms, the value of EMF will come out to be 157,100 volt, equivalent to 157.1 kilovolt, and this corresponds to option C of this question. I hope आपको ये concept समझ आया students. Thank you.